Hey guys, so now we will first of all going to talk about hosting. Okay, what is hosting or a web hosting? So before we just go and set up how to buy and everything, let me just tell you in a very simple language what is hosting. So hosting means storage. Okay. Now see, if you go to any websites, let's suppose we go to Apple's website. Okay, and if we just open Apple's website, now all the website which you see basically use hosting. Okay, so hosting is very much important whether you want to install WordPress, whether you want to install some application. Okay, so for many purposes hosting is very much important. So in simple, hosting is storage. Suppose you have one website or you want to create one website. So whatever website you have or whatever website you want to create, of course in that website you will going to use images, okay, some text, some videos as well, some gif as well. So where all these items will going to store, it will going to store on your hosting or a web hosting. Okay, so hosting work as a storage for your website or application. So to make any website, you require hosting, because for your website you need to upload plenty of images, videos, files, many more to your website. Okay, so to store things in your website, you require hosting. Okay, so it's very simple, right? So now we will be purchasing hosting from Hostinger. Okay, so we have also provided the link in the lessons below description. Okay, so you can just check this video's description. We have provided you the link, okay, of Hostinger. We will going to offer you a discount, so just follow the lecture whatever I am teaching you. So first just go below in this video resources, you will going to get, or in video description you will going to get one link of Hostinger. You can just directly type hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce. If you use this link, so this link will going to take you to the accurate website where you will going to get lots of offer, or a big possibility that you will going to get offers, and it will take you to the same website according to your country. Okay, so wherever you are in, whether you are in USA, so this link will going to take you to the US Hostinger website. If you are from India, so it will going to take you to the India Hostinger website. So just use this link. I have provided the link in the video description, okay, or in the resources. You can just check this link and just click on this link. It will take you guys to the Hostinger's website. Very simple. In my case, I am from India, so you can see I am from India, so it has taken me to hostinger.in, okay, automatically. So this is the power of the link. And if you want to purchase maybe for United Kingdom or some other country, you can even choose that. Okay, so for example, I want to buy from US, so it will going to take you to the hostinger.com, and everything is same. Okay, all the features and everything, whether you buy from any country, the procedure will be same. But to be frankly speaking, buy from your country, wherever your country hostinger is. So always use this link which I will going to tell you, that is hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce. It will going to take you to the accurate country's website where you are living in. Okay, so what will going to happen, it will going to help you to make payment very easily, because for different countries they have for different payment gateways, right? So it's better to buy from your own country hostinger's website. Okay, so you can just purchase it easily, because I have seen some people from my country, they buy from UK, so payment get fail. Okay, sometimes they get problem that their money is deducted from their bank account, and they haven't received the service of hostinger. So this all happens, so it's a good idea to use the link. It will take you to the appropriate your country hostinger's website. Now whatever country you are purchasing in, the formula will be same. At very top you will see various hosting type. So hostinger WordPress hosting is very common, or even you can take web hosting as well. Okay, so now I will going to take you or tell you how you can just buy web hosting, and inside this web hosting only you can upload your applications, your WordPress as well. So if you try to buy the WordPress hosting, so it will only going to optimize for WordPress, right? But in case in future if you want to add some applications, so for that purpose web hosting is a very good solution. And don't worry, inside web hosting also you can add your WordPress very easily and it will work like a butter, okay, very smoothly. So always go with this web hosting plan, okay. And after you will click on the web hosting, you will see various option. Of course, if you want to go with the cloud hosting as well, you can just go ahead. Procedures are 100% same, okay. And here you can see, my friends, you will going to get three plans, that is single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting, okay. So it's my always recommendation to buy the second plan, okay. Never buy the first plan, that is single web hosting, because you can create only one website or one application, so that is totally useless. You will not even going to get the domain as well, okay. And there are plenty more disadvantage. You will going to not get plenty of stuff, okay. You can just see all the features and you can just find that you will only going to get the option to create two subdomains. Now what is this subdomains? We will going to talk about that in later on. You will not going to get a complete database, okay. You can see it in yellow color, okay. So these are all the problems you may face. Personally speaking, I have purchased the business web hosting, but I know that many of you guys don't even have money. So it's my recommendation, please go ahead with this second plan. Whatever hosting, from wherever hosting you are purchasing, never buy the first plan of any hosting company. Like from now we are just purchasing hosting from the hostinger, so always buy the second plan, okay. Or if you can buy more upper plan, it will be more good for you, okay. Because you can see, if you buy more top plan, so you will going to get more storage, unlimited bandwidth, free domain as well, okay. There are plenty more features that are very much common in the second and third plan, okay. Like you can see, you will going to get WordPress tagging tool and plenty more stuff, okay. But we will going to go with the second plan. And of course you can, even if you want to buy the first plan as well, you can. I will not going to suggest you guys, but still if you want, you can. Procedures are almost same, 100% same, whether you buy for single web hosting, premium web hosting, or a business web hosting. So I will just click on this add to cart button, okay. So just click on this button, then it will going to take you guys to the cart button, okay. So let's wait. If you buy from any other country, so the procedures will be almost same, okay. And from here, my friends, never buy the first one, okay. Always buy minimum of 12 months at least, because see, in 1 month, for every 1 month you will going to pay this much of amount, okay, in US dollar. If you are from purchasing from US, so you will see it will be costly as compared to all of them. You can just multiply this amount by 12, okay. For example, in my case, let me just do some calculator, okay. Calculator online, okay. So here you can see 589, that is 589 multiply by 12 months, okay. Because per month it is costing you 589, and if you just see for 12 months, it will be 7068, which will be hell costly for you. But if you will buy for 12 months, so here you can see the pricing, it will only going to cost you this much of amount, okay. So hope you guys are getting the idea clear. But of course, if you buy for more big plan, like in my case, I have purchased for 48 months, okay. So you can just save a good amount of money here. That means in every 4 month, or sorry, 4 year, you don't have to renew it, okay. So my personal suggestion will be to go with a higher plan or a higher period if possible. Or if you don't have money, so at least go, and as I have told you, that buy the second plan and choose the period, at least second one, okay. That is 12 months, at least 12 months you have to take. If you purchasing hosting from any company, okay, at least take for 12 months. But of course, if you want more benefits, of course you can just upgrade to the maximum one if you have money. And then for example, in my case, I will choose the 12 months. And from here, you can just create your account. You can just put your email address, or you can just directly sign up using the Google or Facebook, okay. So in my case, I am taking with the Google, if it allows me. Sometimes hostinger creates problem, and just give it permission. and then it will automatically going to create your Hostinger account and you don't have to do anything. Okay, very simple. Let's wait. Okay, so it's done and you have created your account. Everything is done. You have chosen the 12 months, but if you can go with the higher plan, you can. And then from here you will see this option of a have a coupon code. So here you have to use the coupon Bing Commerce, everything in capital. Okay, just type this, that is Bing Commerce. See the spelling Bing Commerce, and then you will see the magic. Just click on this apply button and you will going to get good discount. Okay, all done. Then you just need to click on the submit secure payment. Okay, okay, so from here my friends, you need to make payment. Of course you can even go back and there you will find the plenty of more other options, like in our case I have chosen Visa. You can even choose Google Pay, UPI, whatever you want to. Okay, so you can just choose it. Okay, in my case I will choose, let's say, UPI. You just need to make payment, that's it. Okay, so idea is that simple. So whatever payment you have chosen, just fill the information, your payment information, and just click on continue. So guys, after you will going to make payment, you just need to wait for few seconds. Okay, so Stinger is loading. Just wait for few seconds, then click on the start now button. Then you just need to click on this option skip. I don't want the personalized experience for now. And from here again click on this skip, create an empty website. And from here you can see that you will going to get the option to claim a free domain. Okay, so from here you can just select it. Okay, and you can just enter the domain. So in my case I will going to enter a domain, let's say uh, my name only, Kunal Lonare, uh, dot com. Okay, whatever it is available in uh, .com. Just search for it, that whether that domain is available or not. So you can see that this domain is available, but for some reason, let's say if I just type here cuckoo courses. Okay, and if from here if I choose it to .com, so whatever domain you may search, so this can say that this domain is already taken. So that means you have to choose some other domain, or you can just try to change the extension. For example, I can upload PW, and here most probably it will be available. So like that you can just change the domain or change this extension from here. Okay, so in my case I will just go ahead with Kunal Lunhare, and from here I will going to choose basically dot xyz for an example. Okay, just search for this. Okay, it's also taken, so I will going to go with, let's say, dot me. Okay, I can just search for this whether this domain is available. Okay, I can just go ahead with this domain. I can just click on this continue button. Okay, so from here you have to choose the primary information from where you are belong to. Choose that, put it to personal, company, it's up to you. I will choose it to personal for an example. And here you have to put all your details. Okay, so just fill the form, and after you fill the form, just click on finish registration. And also one more thing guys, when you take the domain, so you will not going to get the free domain option in the first plan. So you might have seen that in the web hosting plan. So here you will not going to get the option of a free domain, you can see here. Okay, but as we have taken this plan, so here we are getting the free domain. But in case if you guys basically want to connect your external domain, maybe you have purchased from some other domain company like GoDaddy, Namecheap. So how you can connect with Hostinger, that is what I will also going to teach you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Then just click on this finish setup button. Okay, you can of course change the name server from here as well, it's totally up to you. Okay, but I will just go with the Asia, and let's wait for few seconds. It is completing the initiating setup. Okay, so you just need to now hold on and it will going to work for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. And after you see this, you just need to click on this manage site as well. Okay, that's it. So now my friends, this is how you have set up your hostinger account. And one more thing, if you ever want to visit your this hostinger account, you just need to type hpanel dot hostinger dot com, hpanel dot hostinger dot com. Okay, just type this on your browser, everything in small, click on enter. It will take you to the hostinger's dashboard. Okay, in future if you want to visit the backend of the hostinger, so this is how you have to visit to the hostinger's edge panel. Or you might have heard about cpanel, but hostinger has their own panel that is called as edge panel. Okay, so just type this hpanel.hostinger.com. It will take you to your hostinger's website. That's it. Okay, and here you will also going to see ensure the security of your account stay updated. So just click on this send verification email, and it will only going to ask first time. Okay, it will just verify that whether we are legitimate or not. So just open your Gmail or whatever Yahoo panel and just verify it. Okay, whatever you are using basically. So here you will see hostinger verify your email address. Just tap here and click on this verify email button. Okay, and it will going to verify your hostinger's panel basically. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, I guess they have some problem going on. You don't have to worry. Again, just try to click here, or there might be some glitch with the company. Okay, so there is might some glitch with the company, but don't worry. This is how you can just set up your hostinger account very easily, and you can just easily set up your hostinger panel. Okay,